This is the EDGESURF tutorial. We've already set Surf Tab 1 and Surf Tab 2 to 36 from the previous exercise. I'm looking at my screen in viewpoint, and so I'm going to start drawing my setup in order to create my defining path curve and my axis. First of all, I draw a box. That box will be a general box with no specific description. The only purpose is to give me a working plane. I change my UCS to the face of that box. So I'm drawing now on that front plane. Type hide just for clarity. Draw a line from corner to corner. That gives me my axis. And then I draw my profile. This profile can be any P-line element. I'm going to draw a specific element, and I'm going to create something with a little bit of fun. And then I'll p-edit this item and spline it. Okay. Just for the sake of argument, I'm going to mirror this object about this midpoint in order to see this outside feature. My axis is here, my path curve is here, and so now I type EDGESURF. Again, select object to revolve. This is the object. It automatically prompts you. Select object that defines the axis of revolution. That's here. Angle to start 0, angle to fill 360, and there's my object. Okay. Now, because my Surf Tab 1 and 2 are relatively small for the shape detail, some of that detail is left off. So if I delete the mesh, which does not delete my lines, type regen to show it. I simply do Surf Tab 1, set that to 64, twice as high. Surf Tab 2, set it to 64, and since everything's still there, I type EDGESURF, select the object, select the axis, enter, enter, hide. As you can see, a little bit more detail. One more exercise in changing Surf Tab 1 and 2. I regen, I set Surf Tab 1 to 120. I set Surf Tab 2 to 120. I then type EDGESURF, select the object, select the axis, 0, 360, hide. Now you can see more detail based on the shape that I had defined. And as I did before, if I type render, you will begin to see some rendered idea of what this is. I realize the box is three-dimensional, so it does occupy space. Quick example of revolve. Regen the screen, type revolve, choose the object, and in this case you have to enter to tell it you're done selecting objects, and you simply define the axis, or I could have clicked on the object, start angle 360, and it's done. The difference is we just can't see it. Type hide, and there it is. This is the end of the tutorial for EDGESURF.